Hi, I'm Sinem Akgün. Today I'm pleased to present to you the range of KIA Ceed models that will receive a major upgrade in 2021. These are the Ceed 5-door hatch, the Ceed Sports Wagon and the Pro Ceed shooting brake. Another crucial member of the range, the Ceed compact SUV, is soon in for an upgrade too, so stay tuned for that. The Ceed model range and its widespread offerings position Kia as a strong and innovative contender in the consideration list of many new car buyers. Now in their third generation, the hatch and the sports wagon models have welcomed two new members into the range since 2018. Pro Ceed, the only car model from a mainstream brand to offer a beautiful shooting brake body style, and Ceed, the distinctive and stylish urban crossover with an elegant SUV coupe body style. With these two new entries, Kia has managed to establish itself and thrive in new subsegments. The 2021 facelift consists of major design updates combined with an advanced powertrain that includes mild and plug-in hybrid technology. More importantly, the models are now more complete with the introduction of new connectivity and driving assistance technologies. First, let's take a look at the new design. On display today, we have a Ceed GT line, a Ceed Sports Wagon plug-in hybrid EV, and a Pro Ceed GT. Front has been completely redesigned to leave an intense and lasting impression, drawing specific attention to Ceed's expressive and sophisticated nature. Now sporting a more agile appearance, the signature tiger nose grille in glossy black contains two distinct tabs which, depending on the trim, has either a satin or dark chrome finish. The lower tab has a dynamic floating wing shape, and the mesh features a triangular pattern that slightly differs in shape depending on the trim. Exclusive to the GT trim, a GT logo and red highlights are embedded into the grille. The unique front look of the PHEV is ensured thanks to the color contrast finish, emphasizing the depth of the geometric shapes that entirely fill the PHEV grille. The front light signature is more distinctive thanks to three arrow-like vertical LEDs positioned horizontally inside the headlamp. These modules function as daytime running lights and side indicators. Additionally, now the headlamps also feature an LED fog light source. At each end of the front bumper, a large triangular air curtain garnish shapes and connects the surrounding surfaces. This creates another floating wing graphic in the front, deeply contributing to Ceed's sporty visual volume. This garnish and its sweeping gesture towards the front wheel arch create a dynamic side-front graphic for the new Ceed. The sporty front look is further achieved by omitting a body-colored stripe on the bumper lip, visually creating the impression that the lower air intake is larger. For the GT line and the PHEV, two garnishes in satin chrome finish stretch along the width of the air intake and angle upwards at the center to mimic the wing graphic projected at each side of the front bumper. For the GT, two distinct and striking red elements are integrated into the sides of the lower air intake in order to emphasize its performance-driven nature. The 17-inch standard alloys of the GT line are newly designed and feature a glossy black and diamond cut finish. The 18-inch alloys of the GT have a new and unique design that is exclusive to the GT variant only. PHEV's 17-inch alloys have a sportier look. Depending on the variant and the body style, the new Ceed is available in up to 13 different paint finishes, 4 of which are new. Exclusive to the GT and GT line hatch, the new light signature on the rear is turning heads thanks to 48 LEDs, each captured within a honeycomb-shaped red frame. These align horizontally to form 5 rows inside a smoke-tinted lens. LEDs in specific rows light up sequentially in order to indicate to other road users that the Ceed is about to make a turn. In the rear of the GT line and PHEV, a newly designed glossy black diffuser conceals the exhaust pipe. It is decorated with a one-piece satin chrome garnish that curls down at each extremity. On the rear of the GT, dual-reel exhausts are partially integrated into the newly designed glossy black diffuser. The round tips of Proceed GT are in satin chrome finish. GT red accents on the diffuser are a new addition to accentuate this variant's sporty character at the rear.